We can also structure the equation of a line if we are given with a slope and its corresponding y-intercept. We can use here the form, or what we know as the slope-intercept form. In this manner, we have y is equal to m being our slope, x plus b. This b is the value of your y-intercept. You see, we have here y is equal to, our slope is negative 3/5, okay, x, and then plus negative 4. So we could also rewrite this as y is equal to negative 3/5 x minus 4. This is already a sample equation of this line having the slope of negative 3/5, and it passes through a y-intercept of negative 4 in slope-intercept form. But of course, we could also come up with a general form for this by multiplying a certain number here, in this case 5, so that when we distribute that here and here, this will no longer have any fraction. But don't forget to do the same thing and multiply 5 on the other side as well. In short, you will have here 5y. So once we are cancelled that one, we still have negative 3x. Here, it's not negative 4 because we have here a multiplier of 5. Since this is a binomial expression, we need to distribute this constant to both terms. So we have here minus 20. Now, let's move this on the other side, adding both sides by 3x. Then you will have here 5y, and adding both sides by 20. So this side will return to 0. This is already its general form because we have here a 0 on the other side. Of course, the standard form could also be rewritten by returning or subtracting 20 on the other sides, both sides rather. So you have here negative 20. This is our standard form. Now, how would we know that our general form is correct? We can pick here a certain point that is part of this line and substitute here in our general form, and it should be satisfied. But what point are we going to use? We are going to use here the y-intercept. Take note that our y-intercept is negative 4. The y-intercept could also be a point with x being equal to 0. This is because the y-intercept is a point on the Cartesian plane where x is 0. So using this, substitute that in our general form, this should be satisfied. You have 3 times 0 plus 5 times negative 4. You will have here plus 20. You will have here question mark as we are verifying that to become 0. You have 0 minus 20 plus 20. You will have here still question mark even if it's too obvious. And until you reach this point that both sides are now equal, this signifies that our general form is correct.